Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're thrilled to announce a new product that will breathe new life into your wiper system, our new 2-speed wiper motor kit. If your original wiper motor has become slow, unreliable, or even missing, our direct fit replacement kit is the solution you've been waiting for. Engineered to seamlessly integrate with your 69 to 77 Bronco. This kit ensures a smooth and efficient wiper operation no matter the weather conditions. Our wiper motor kit comes fully equipped and with everything you need for a hassle-free installation. A high-quality 2-speed wiper motor with a bracket adapter, a wiring harness and a harness adapter, the wiper motor arm and all mounting hardware, along with detailed installation instructions. Please note that our wiper motor kit is designed to work exclusively with the factory wiper motor bracket and is not compatible with aftermarket soft top wiper lowering brackets. If you're ready to say goodbye to unreliable wipers and invest in a smooth, efficient solution, look no further than Dennis Carpenter's wiper motor kit for your 69 to 77 Bronco. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.